If you work in IT infrastructure, you know the drill. A developer submits a ticket for a new production database. You provision the infrastructure, install the OS, and set up the database. Then you spend the next 3 days on security hardening, backup configuration, and monitoring. By the time you're done, you've spent days, maybe even a week, on a single instance. It's not fun for you, and it's not fun for the developer. In fact, that's probably why they swipe a credit card for the public cloud. They're not trying to undermine you, but they're just trying to be productive. And when the choice is waiting days for a ticket or 60 seconds for an API, speed wins more often than not. VMware Data Services Manager changes the story. It's an advanced service that's integrated with VCF9, and it moves you away from manual builds and towards policy-based management. Instead of building a database, you build a policy. You define what good looks like once. You set the storage tier, the backup frequency, and the encryption standards, and that becomes your gold image. Now, when a developer needs a database, they don't open a ticket. They self-serve from the catalog that you've already approved. So they get the agility of a cloud provider, and you get the stability of a governed platform. This isn't just about speed, it's about scale. If you need to patch 50 PostgreSQL clusters, you don't do it 50 times. You update the policy, and DSM rolls that update across the entire fleet without the downtime. It's a model that works in the real world. Broadcom's own IT team used this shift to manage over 100 clusters with a small team, and they ended up saving $10 million in public cloud costs. The goal isn't just to bring data back on premises to regain control over your costs and compliance. It's also to move from manual provisioning to fleet management. You stop being the bottleneck and you start being the provider. Check out the blog to learn more.